Namaskar and welcome back to KSP Knowledge Hub. Today's video is not just about logistics, it's about choices. Choices businesses made in the past, choices we are making today, and choices that will decide whether the next generation inherits growth with balance or growth with consequences. Today we are talking about green logistics, what it truly means, why it matters, where India stands, and why 2026 and beyond will be a turning point. Stay with me till the end because this conversation is bigger than cost, compliance, or carbon. It's about responsibility. Let's rewind. For decades, logistics had only two success metrics: how fast, how cheap. Warehouses expanded without efficiency. Trucks ran half loaded. Fuel consumption was accepted as unavoidable. Packaging was excessive, disposable, and ignored. And globally, we told ourselves this is the price of development. Nobody asked at what cost to the air, at what cost to cities, at what cost to future generations. Logistics powered growth, yes, but it also silently powered pollution. Today, something has changed. Climate events are no longer future predictions, they are present realities. Supply chains are no longer invisible, they are accountable. Governments are questioning, customers are questioning, investors are questioning, and logistics is now at the center of this conversation. Green logistics doesn't mean no growth, it means smarter growth. It means asking, can we move the same goods with less damage? Can efficiency replace excess? Can technology replace waste? This is where we stand today. It's about designing supply chains that consume less energy, emit less pollution, waste fewer resources, and still remain commercially viable. It touches everything: transportation, warehousing, packaging, inventory planning, technology, even human behavior. Green logistics is not one big action, it's hundreds of small, intelligent decisions working together. India is at a very interesting point. We are one of the fastest growing logistics markets in the world. Our consumption is rising, our exports are expanding, our infrastructure is transforming. At the same time, we face urban congestion, air quality challenges, fuel dependency, cost pressure. This makes green logistics not a luxury for India, but a necessity. The good news: India is not starting late. Digital freight platforms, multimodal logistics, improved highways, rail freight corridors, EV pilots, warehouse automation, these are already reshaping the ecosystem. The challenge is scale, speed, and mindset. Globally, countries are approaching green logistics differently. Some focus on electrifying last mile delivery, others invest heavily in rail and inland waterways. Some redesign urban freight movement, others enforce strict emission reporting. The common thread is this: logistics is no longer treated as a background activity, it's treated as a strategic lever for sustainability. And this is the race India is part of, not to copy models, but to build one suited to its scale and diversity. Let's talk impact. Companies adopting greener logistics are seeing lower long term operating costs, better brand trust, easier global partnerships, stronger compliance readiness. Cities are seeing reduced congestion, cleaner air, more efficient freight movement, and supply chains are becoming more resilient, more transparent, more future ready. This is not ideology, this is economics meeting ethics. Looking ahead, certain areas will grow very fast: technology driven logistics planning, energy efficient warehouses, alternative fuels and EV fleets, multimodal transport combining road, rail, and water, data based optimization instead of intuition. But the biggest growth will be in skills: people who understand logistics and sustainability, managers who think long term, not quarterly, professionals who see compliance as strategy, not burden. This is where opportunity lies. If you are a student, a young professional, or a mid career executive, listen carefully. Green logistics is not about giving up ambition, it's about redefining success. The future belongs to those who can balance cost with conscience, growth with responsibility, speed with sustainability. The logistics leaders of tomorrow will not just move goods, they will shape how the world moves. Let me say this clearly: technology will evolve, policies will change, infrastructure will improve. But the most important thing we must work on is mindset. Until businesses see sustainability as an opportunity, not a cost, progress will be slow. Green logistics succeeds not because it is enforced, but because it is believed in. India has scale, India has talent, India has urgency. If we align growth with green thinking now, India doesn't just participate in the global supply chain, it leads it responsibly. This is not about catching up, this is about choosing the right direction early. If this video made you think beyond trucks, warehouses, and costs, then it has done its job. Like this video, if you believe logistics can be profitable and responsible, comment and tell me what green logistics means to you: technology, fuel, policy, or mindset. And subscribe to KSP Knowledge Hub if you want conversations that shape the future of trade and logistics, not just explain the past. Orders create excitement, systems create sustainability, and responsibility creates legacy. Trade smart, stay compliant, scale globally. This is KSP signing off.